Good morning, everyone. This is B. Ramarao from SRRS Government Polytechnic College, Sirsila. In this hour, we discuss about advantages, disadvantages, and applications of plastics. Discuss about advantages, disadvantages, and applications of plastics. On the completion of this period, you would be able to know about what is a plastic, what are the advantages and disadvantages of plastics. On the completion of this period, you will be able to know about contents, advantages of plastics, disadvantages of plastics, applications of plastics. Advantages of plastics, disadvantages of plastics, applications of plastics. What is a plastic? Plastics are made from a simple molecule of monomer. These monomers are undergoing polymerization, then form a high molecular weight of substance is called polymer, which polymers repaired by addition polymerization, condensation polymerization, and copolymerization. In this polymer, by applying heat and pressure, it should molded any desired shape is called plastics. These plastics we are using many purpose and industrial purpose and domestic purpose using plastics. And also some disadvantages are there, applications of plastics we discuss in this hour. Some important terms on plastics. These plastics made from a simple molecule of monomer. What is a monomer? A low molecular weight of molecule undergoing polymerization to form polymer is called monomer. Small molecules that join together in polymerization that is called monomers. A low molecular weight of molecules undergoing polymerization to form polymer is called monomers. These monomers like ethylene monomer, CH2 double bond, CH2, vinyl chloride monomer, CH2 double bond, CHCl, tetrafluoroethylene monomer, CF2 double bond, CF2. The simple molecules undergoing polymerization to form a high molecular weight of polymers is called monomers. Polymer, long chain molecule made from lots of small molecules joined together is called polymer. Polymer, a high molecular weight of macromolecules formed from monomers by polymerization is called polymer. What is a polymer? A high molecular weight of macromolecules formed from monomers by polymerization is called polymers. These polymers formed from a simple molecule of monomers like ethylene monomers CH2 double bond CH2 undergoing polymerization process to form n number of monomers of CH2 double bond CH2 gives rise CH2 single bond CH2 taken N is called polythene. This polythene prepared from a simple molecule of monomers of ethylene monomers then form a high weight of the substance is called polymer. What is polymerization process? The process of formation of polymer. The process of formation of polymer from low molecular weight of molecule of same or different molecules with elimination or without elimination of simple molecules is called polymerization. What is polymerization? The process of formation of polymer from low molecular weight of molecules of same or different compounds with elimination or without elimination of simple molecules is called polymerization process. This polymerization, two important processes are, one is addition polymerization, second one condensation polymerization, and third one copolymerization process. In these three, two very important, one is addition, second one is condensation polymerization. What is addition polymerization? Polymerization in which monomers are added together to form polymer without elimination of simple molecules is called addition polymerization. What is addition polymerization? Formation of long chain molecules. Formation of long chain molecules from lots of small molecules joined together with no other product. With no other product. Polymerization in which monomers are added together to form polymer without elimination of simple molecules is called addition polymerization, and polymers are called addition polymer. These addition polymerization formed by unsaturated compounds undergoing addition polymerization. The number of monomeric units in polymers is equal to the number of monomer. In the polymerization, new monomers are added to growing chain of polymer. Hence, this polymerization is called chain growth polymerization. These addition polymerization are present in linear in shape and have low molecular weight. Like addition polymers are polythene, PVC, Steplan, polystyrene, these all are addition polymers. Condensation polymerization, formation of long chain molecules from lot of small molecules joined together with a simple molecules released is called condensation polymerization. In this polymerization process in which monomers are added together to form polymer with elimination of simple molecules like HCl, CH3OH, H2O, etc. is called condensation polymerization. In the condensation polymerization involves elimination of molecules and is lot of step growth polymerization process. The monomer involved in condensation polymer contains functional groups like alcohol group, acid group, amine group. Compounds are involving in formation of condensation polymers. The number of monomer units in the polymer is less than the number of monomers involved. Condensation polymer have cross-linked structure and have high molecular weight. What is a plastic? These polymers can be molded any desired shape like a chair, bucket, mug, dustbins, like a switch or switchboard or door or window, anyone, whatever are you require, thus shape can be molded from polymers. How can we mold it? By applying heat and pressure is called plastics. These plastics are two types. One is thermoplastics and thermosetting plastics. Thermoplastics, thermosetting plastic. Thermoplastics. What is thermoplastics? Plastics which are softened on heating and hardened on cooling are called thermoplastics. Plastics which are softened on heating and hardened on cooling plastics are called thermoplastics. Thermoplastics. These plastics can be softened by heating and hardened by cooling any number of times without changing the properties of the material is called thermoplastics. The plastics can be softened by heating and hardened by cooling any number of times without changing the properties of material. It is thus possible to shape and reshape these plastics by means of heat and pressure. It is thus possible to shape and reshape these plastics by means of heat and pressure. Heat and pressure. One important advantages, one important advantage of the advantages of the advantages of the variety of plastics is that scrap obtained from old and old and worn out articles can be effectively used again. Properties of thermoplastics. Thermoplastics are softened and liquefied on heating and hardened up to cooling. These plastics are softened and liquefied on heating and hardened after cooling. Retains shape after manufacture. Suitable for recycling. Suitable for recycling. Can be reshaped by heat. Can be reshaped by heat. It may melt before passing to a gaseous state. Allow plastics deformation when it is heated. They are soluble in certain solvents. Swell in the presence of certain solvents. Swell the certain solvent. These are properties of thermoplastics. Example and applications of thermoplastics material. High pressure polythene are applied to rigid material covered with electrical machines, tubes, etc. Low pressure polythene elastic material used for industrial of electrical cables, etc. Polystyrene applied for electrical insulation, handles of tools. Polyamide used for making ropes, belts, etc. PVC or polyvinyl chloride for manufacture of insulation, material, pipes, containers, etc. Example of thermoplastics, acrylates, cyanoacrylates, epoxy, crude by ultraviolet radiation, acrylates crude by ultraviolet radiation. Thermosetting plastics. What is thermosetting plastics? Plastics which are hardened. Plastics which are hardened on heating and cannot soften by applying heat and pressure are called thermosetting plastics. These plastics are either virginally soft or liquid or softened once upon heating. They harden permanently. When they are heated in the temperature of 127 degrees centigrade to 177 degrees centigrade, they set permanently, and further applications of heat does not alter their form or soften them. But at temperature of about 343 degrees centigrade, the changing occurs. The thermosetting plastics are durable, strong, and hard. They are available in a variety of beautiful colors. They are mainly used to engineering applications of plastics. They are mainly used in engineering applications of plastics. Properties of thermosetting plastics: permanently hard on heating above a certain temperature, undergoes chemical changes during manufacture, cannot be molded and reshaped, little potential for recycling. Example and uses: polyester fiberglass systems, sheet molding compounds, and bulk molding compounds. Polyurethane insulating foams, mattresses, coatings, adhesives, car parts, print, rollers, shoe soles, flooring, synthetic fibers, etc. Polyurethane polymers are polyurethane formed by combining two high or higher functional monomers. Vulcanized rubber, bakelite, a phenol formaldehyde resin used in electrical insulator and plastic wares. Urea formaldehyde foam used to plywood, particulates, and medium density fiberboards. Melamine resin used on worktop surface. Epoxy resin used as a matrix components. It many fibers. Reinforced plastics such as glass reinforced plastics and graphite reinforced plastics. These are applications. What are the advantages of plastics? Advantages of plastics. Plastics are light in weight. Plastics are light in weight, easy to clean, These are available cheap product, water, chemical and corrosion resistance, easily molded. Advantages of plastics. What are the advantages? Plastics are light in weight and low cost. Plastics are light in weight and low cost. These are resistance to corrosion. Plastics are resistance to insects. Plastics are good thermal and electrical insulators. Easy workability or fabrications. Different color can be molded or obtained. Easy maintenance. Plastics are transparent and possess shiny surface. Plastics have some advantages over traditional material. These are light in weight, easy to clean, cheap to produce, water, chemical and corrosion resistance. It is easy molded. Plastics are light in weight and low cost. Plastics are resistant to corrosion. Plastics are resistant to insects. Plastics are good thermal and electrical insulator. Easy workability. Different color can be obtained. Easy maintenance. Plastics are transparent and possess shiny surface. These are advantages. Plastics are excellent finishing, good adhesive property, odorless, unbreakable, recyclable, and versatile. These are advantages. Plastics are excellent finishing. Excellent finishing means plastics possess shiny surface, good adhesive properties, odorless, unbreakable, recyclable, and versatile. These are advantages of plastics. General properties of plastics. Plastics have low density. Low density. To make low weight, have light in weight, anti-friction, corrosion resistance, low cost, insulation of heat and electrical resistance, chemically stable, less brittle, easily molded, different colors obtained. These are some characters of plastics. Plastics are light in weight. The specific gravity varies from 1 to 1.4 and plastics are light in weight. The specific gravity varies from 1 to 1.4 and plastics are light in weight. Plastics are light in weight. Gravity is very low, that is 1 to 1.4, that is show less weight. Good thermal and electrical insulator. Plastics are good thermal and electrical insulators. Corrosion resistance. Plastics are have high resistance to corrosion. High resistance to corrosion. Decorative surface effects. Plastic surface possess shiny and glossy surface. Transparency. Transparency. Some plastics are some, some plastics are highly transparent and trans they can be used as optical lenses. Insect resistance. They are not affected by insect, moths and fungus, etc. Low thermal expansion coefficient, high refractive index. High refractive index. These plastics have low density to make low weight with light strength, anti-friction, self-lubrication sometimes achieved, corrosion resistance, water proofing and noiseless operation of moving part, low cost, insulation of heat and electricity, chemically stable, less brittle, good, good, easily molded, different colors obtained. Uses of plastics. Plastics are available in light in weight. Plastics are light in weight. Uses of plastics by properties. These plastics are light in weight. It has waste applications due to light in weight, like tablespoons, hangers. These are available in light in weight. Then metal. These plastics products are available in light in weight. Then metals. For example, spoons, hangers, etc. These plastics are corrosion resistance. Corrosion resistance. It has waste applications due to high corrosion resistance. These plastics applications are corrosion resistance. Corrosion resistance. Like water supplying pipes, water supplying pipes and plastic materials. These all are resistance to corrosion. And insects. Resilience. They possess very good strength and toughness. They possess good shock absorption capacity, like springs, shoes. These are resilience. Low thermal conductivity. Low thermal conductivity materials are prepared by plastics, like electrical cable insulators are used are made by plastics. Disadvantages of plastics. Disadvantages of plastics. Plastics produce toxic fumes when burned. It produces toxic material when it is burned. Low heat resistance, non-biodegradable compounds create pollutions. Recycling is costly. Recycling is costly. These plastics are soft, they are not suitable for cooking, they are non biodegradable compounds, they are not tolerant heat and high pressure, their combustion releases poisonous gases, causes pollution, low ductile. Plastics are very soft. What is a soft? By applying pressure, it undergoes to deformation. The changing of shape is called softness. When plastics are heating, it get melt. That is also softness. When plastic by applying pressure, it undergoes to deformation means changes of shape is also called softness of plastics. That one is one of the major disadvantages of plastics. Plastics are soft by applying heat and pressure. They are not suitable for cooking. Any plastic material not using in cooking purpose. Any plastic material they cannot using cooking purpose by applying heat. They are non-biodegradable compounds. One plastic material arranged in environment, it cannot easily decomposed. They decomposed many years, like billion years, million years, it will be decomposed. In case any wood material easily decomposed in environment. So these plastic materials are non-biodegradable compounds. It will be decomposed many number of years. They are not tolerant heat and high pressure, low heat resistance. They are not tolerant heat and high pressure. By applying heat and high pressure, the shape will be changes due to depends on temperature. They are combustible, releases poisonous gases, causes pollution. These plastics are made by carbon compounds. By heating in presence of air, it burns, it produces poisonous gases into environment, it causes pollution. When it cannot easily decomposed compound, these compound when we are burning, it is releases poisonous gases into environment, it causes pollution, it is increases pollutant levels in the environment. Pollutants levels also increases in environment, it causes pollution when you are burning plastics. Low ductility. By applying pressure, by changing of shape, and it is undergoes to deformation is called ductile. It produces toxic gases when it is burned. When plastics are burned, it produces poisonous gases into environment. Low heat resistance. By applying heat, it gets softness. So it have low heat resistance. So these compounds are not suitable for cooking. Plastics are non-biodegradable compounds. These compounds cannot easily decomposed with soil. So these are called non-biodegradable compounds. When it is burned, it creates some carbon compounds releases like carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, smoke particles are enter into environment, then it causes pollution. These plastics are recycling is costly. These are disadvantages of plastics. Embrittlement at low temperature and deformation at high temperature. When less than 10 degrees centigrade, embrittlement. It forms like a cracks on plastics at low temperature. Deformation at high temperature. Shape completely changes is called deformation process at high temperature. At low temperature, it undergoes to embrittlement. It causes by cracks or breaks form on plastics. Poisonous gases produced during decomposition causes cancer. Poisonous gases releases into environment by burning of plastics. It releases poisonous gases. It causes cancer. Choking the drain system. In drainage, when plastic materials are increases, the water flow can be reduced. The stopping of water flow in drainage system when increasing plastic materials in drainage like polythene covers, plastic materials increases in drainage system, the flow of waters should be decreases. Applications of plastics. These plastics are used in shopping purpose, shopping purpose like polythene covers, polythene bags, polythene carry bags, or these are made by plastics. This packing industry, some of the materials are packing by using plastic components like boxes are made by plastics. Applications, shopping purpose, packing industries are made by plastics. In automobile industry, electrical equipments are made by plastics. In automobile industries, made by some of the materials like plastics are used in like a car. So the plastic components are used in a car. Like electrical equipments are prepared in by using plastics. These all are prepared by plastics. Household purpose. In household purpose, we are made many materials like dustbins, hangers, combs, soap box. These all are made by plastics. Electronic industries. In electronic industries, we are using like a insulators, right? Insulators of plastics. Construction purpose. In construction purpose, we are made different materials like tiles, doors, windows, plastic glasses. These all are made by plastics. In construction purpose also we are used in plastics. These are uses of advantages of plastics. What is a plastics? A high molecular weight of polymer which can be molded into any desired shape by applying heat and pressure are called plastics. These plastics are two types. One is thermoplastics, thermosetting plastics. What is thermoplastics? Plastics which are softened on heating and hardened on cooling plastics are called thermoplastics. Thermosetting plastics, plastics which are hardened on heating and cannot be softened by applying heat and pressure are called thermosetting plastics. This plasticity is reversible, this is irreversible. These thermoplastics are formed by addition polymerization process. These are formed by condensation polymerization process. These thermoplastics are in linear in shape. These are cross-linked shape. These polymers have low molecular weight. Thermosetting plastics are high molecular weight. Thermoplastics are weak, soft, and less brittle. Thermosetting plastics are strong, hard, and more brittle. These thermoplastics are soluble in organic solvent. These are insoluble in inorganic organic solvent. In thermoplastics have weak van der Waals force. In thermosetting plastics have strong chemical bond. These are recycling possible. In this recycling not possible. For example, polythene, PVC, polystyrene. Thermosetting plastics, nylon, bakelite, urea formaldehyde resin. So, on the completion of this period, you know about what is a plastic, how many types of plastics, what are the advantages of plastics, disadvantages of plastics, applications of plastics. Main purpose plastics are used in advantages. These are available in light in weight and low cost. These plastics are resistant to corrosion, resistance to insects. Plastics have good thermal and electrical insulator, easy work ability, different colors can be obtained, easy maintenance. Plastics are transparent and possess shiny surface. These plastics are prepared like a polythene, PVC, Teflon. Like polythene, it is used in packing appliances, the production of wires and cable insulators, the preparation of bottles, pipes, water supplying pipes, industrial containers. It also used in preparation of toys, bottle and bottle caps, etc. These also used in preparation of buckets, dustbins, buckets, dustbins, etc. These all are made by plastics. Disadvantages: these plastics are very soft, not suitable for cooking, they are non biodegradable compounds, they are combustion releases poisonous gases and causes pollution, low ductility. These are disadvantages of plastics.